Friends, have you ever wondered what kind of laundry detergent your grandma used? I don't need to wonder because I actually use that kind of laundry detergent. More accurately, I make my own. Why do I make my own? It is slightly cheaper to make your own, but mostly I won the genetic lottery, so I get contact dermatitis from most of the big brand laundry detergents on the market today. So, it's vintage, it's natural, let's get down to the housewifery with an old-fashioned laundry detergent recipe.
So the basic tools you'll need for this is a canister for the detergent, a measuring cup, and a scale. As you can see, I have my recipe written down on the top of my container so that I don't lose it. We are going to put the container on the scale and turn it on, making sure it is zeroed out and the correct unit of measurement is selected, in this case, ounces. I'm measuring out 4.5 ounces of pure laundry soap grains. I got these on Amazon, but they sometimes have laundry soap at Walmart. Haven't really been able to find any at Kroger. Usually Walmart will carry Fels Naphtha or Zote bars. If you are using a bar soap, I would suggest cutting it up finely and using a blender to blend and mix further. Also, you cannot replace laundry soap with body soap. Body soap has moisturizing oils that will leave a waxy coating on your clothes. Next, we're going to pour in 1 cup of borax. Borax is sodium bicarbonate and occurs naturally after repeated evaporation of seasonal lakes. It is antifungal, and it is a pretty common detergent additive or booster. Unfortunately, it does dehydrate and clump together, resulting in me making an absolute mess of my kitchen table. I did try to break up the clumps to get a proper measurement, but that mostly just exacerbated the mess. After getting as close to a cup as I could measure, we're going to add that to the container and measure out another cup, but of washing powder. This is not baking powder. Baking powder is sodium bicarbonate. This is sodium carbonate, so only 1 carbon. This is also formed naturally when seasonal lakes evaporate and is a pretty common detergent, stabilizer, and anti-caking agent. After we pour that in, we're going to make sure the lid is tightly secured and vigorously shake the container to mix it together. Since the soap was in granules form, this should be enough to mix the detergent, but once again, if you're using flakes or a soap bar, a blender would be better to mix everything thoroughly. Now I'm going to pour this into a smaller container and add about a tablespoon to each load of laundry.
Okay, so after I poured all of the laundry detergent into here, I did go ahead and make another batch or two and keep it in the coffee canister to stir up the big bulk batch. I did stick my hand in and stir it around and break up all the clumps. To me, I find that that's the best way to break up all the clumps. These are natural ingredients, but that doesn't mean they aren't skin irritants. Borax can be an extreme skin irritant. What I had to do afterwards, always rinse off your hands if you're going to play with borax in that way. Borax is such an irritant because it is extremely alkaline. So washing just with plain water, no soap because soap is also alkaline, that should neutralize the alkaline nature of the borax. I felt like I could not get it off my skin, so I actually washed my hands with some apple cider vinegar. Vinegar is slightly acidic, so it will help neutralize the alkaline nature of the borax much faster. But yeah, so now I have my bulk laundry detergent, and this gets my clothes just as clean as any other big brand detergent. I will also say I also add a dash of tea tree oil to every load of laundry, and that is to get rid of what I can best describe as gym bag stink, because we do have an athletic family here, and that even is a difficult point for name brand detergents that they still can't get rid of. Tea tree oil is an antimicrobial, antibacterial oil, but once again, even though it is all natural, does not mean it won't irritate your skin. If it gets on your skin, wash it immediately. Other than my many warnings about staying safe with the laundry detergent and all natural material stuff, to try to cut down on all the mess that I had because of the pouring directly from the box and the clumps and everything, I did put both the borax and the washing soda in a plastic bag that I will reuse for whenever I get more. washing soda and borax, and that is for easier pouring and measuring, and also it's easier to squish the bag to get rid of all the clumps than squishing around on a box. So hopefully that will cut down on the spillage potential as well. So I hope that I have thoroughly warned and informed you about the natural laundry detergent recipe that I use. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and leave any questions, comments, or concerns down below. New videos come up on Mondays, sometimes Thursdays, and like always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!